Okay, guys, I went to the thrift store. Why? I do not know, but I saw these two things right here. And I decided to get them. They were only 50 cents. So I was like, well, I can just get them and see what I can do with it. Personally, I don't like this goldish looking color it is. If you can see it, I'm thinking about changing the color of this. If it comes out wrong or it doesn't look right, it's okay. Because like I said, they were only like 50 cents. And I also just had this glass sitting around. I don't know where I brought it from, but I was like, okay, well, let me see if I can do something with this glass as well. And I just have these spray paints right here that I'm going to use. We have the metallic finish, and this is supposed to be like a glitter clear sealer, but I have never used that before, so this is going to definitely be something that I don't know. I'm just going to have to wing it. I really don't know how it's going to look. I've never used that before. And of course, you know, the black. You guys can find that at Michael's. It's also at Home Goods, I believe. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to see what I can do with these items. So let me go ahead and get it outside. Okay, so I am outside now. It is very, very, very hot. It's like 95. So I want to hurry up and get this done so that I can go back inside because this sun is killing me right now. So let me go ahead and get this stuff set up so that I can start spray painting. Okay guys, it was so hot outside that I had to just come inside. The phone was about to overheat, the camera and everything, and I was just like, let me bring all of everything inside just so that it can cool off. And also it gave time for everything just to dry. And I haven't used this yet because I have to put the glitter on the glass first. So once I put the glitter on there, then this can be sprayed afterwards. So I'm just going to see if it's going to make a difference. Like I said, I have not used this before for anything. It's my first time using it. I'm not sure if maybe it will help the glitter hold, give it more of a shine. Not really sure, but I am just gonna try it and just see if it makes a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the glitter on my glass. Okay, so in order for the glitter to, I guess, just seal to the glass, I am going to basically use the Mod Podge, this right here. And I don't know, I just found some glitter and I guess I can use this sparkling powder that I found. It's like blue with a mixture of silver in it, this right here. So I'll just see how this works out. Guys, make sure you have something because this stuff gets everywhere. I know you don't want it all over your carpet and on your floors. So just make sure you put something down to catch all of this extra. And the extra, you can always put it right back into its original tube right here. So just go back again over it. Okay. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop this back up into the tube, and I'm gonna add some more onto the glass. So what I did was I just added this silver ribbon around it right here. And you can use a hot glue gun to make it actually stick and hold pretty well. Or you can use some tacky glue if you have that. Either one would be okay. So what I'm going to do is the same thing I did down here, I am going to do on the top part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And like I said, you shake it off, and the same glitter, you just take it and you dump it right back into its original tube. And you use it again. Okay, so now I'm about to spray some of this on there. I don't really know what it's supposed to do, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so I'm going to let it dry, and I don't know. I guess I'll see if there's a big difference, and I guess I'll check on it later. Okay, so I really like the way that this one came out. This is really, really, really nice. Love the spray paint on it is really, really, really good. It's very shiny. The black is okay. And as far as with this, guys, I just put some flowers in it. You can, you know, do what you want. Of course, it's not real flowers, but I really don't see what that spray, the glitter spray paint does. I don't see a difference with anything. Um, it looks the same. So I don't know. If anyone ever used that, please leave me a comment. Maybe I didn't do it right. I put it on the actual glitter. When I read it, it said it's supposed to give it like an extra glittery effect or something like that, but I don't see it. Maybe I need to use it on something with more glitter on it, but I didn't want to put glitter on this glass all over it. So I don't know, but I guess I can always try and use it again on something else. But thanks you guys for tuning into the video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have ever used any of these spray paints on anything and how did it work for you. And also make sure that you ring that bell so that you can get post notifications whenever I put up a new video. And I will see you guys later.